I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Yahoo! I finally pulled the fire alarm. Oh crap. It's the principal.
Dark Boomerang bro. How dare you pull a fire alarm? You know we don't use those alarms for stupidities. Those are for fire drills only. That's it. You're so suspended for a week. Go home now while I call your parents. Hello. Dark Boomerang bro's parents. Your son Dark Boomerang bro pulled the fire alarm at school and got a 1-week suspension. Can you ground him? Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
Dark Boomerang bro. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school today and got a 1-week suspension. That's it. You're grounded for a week.
Go to your room right now. Or else you'll be spending a whole week vacation on Romania.